Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use the double date feature in Tinder. This feature lets you and a friend match with other pairs looking for a double date experience, making it a fun and social way to meet new people. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Tinder app and look at the top of your screen. You'll see an option that says double date. Go ahead and tap on it to access this feature. This is where you'll set up everything you need to start matching with other pairs who are also interested in double dating. Once you're in the double date section, you'll notice an option that says invite a friend. Tap on this button to send an invitation to a friend who you'd like to join you for double dates. This friend will need to accept your invitation through the app, so make sure you choose someone who's active on Tinder and interested in meeting new people together with you. Having a friend join you makes the whole experience more comfortable and enjoyable. After inviting your friend, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon there which represents the settings menu. Tap on this gear icon to open up your double date settings. This is where you can customize how the feature works for you and control what others can see. Inside the settings menu, you'll find several toggle options that are important to configure. First, you can turn on Show Me on My Friend's profile. Enabling this allows your profile to appear when your friend is browsing potential double date matches. Next, toggle on Show Friends on My Profile, which lets other users see that you're part of a double date team when they view your profile. Finally, make sure to turn on Show Double Date Profiles. This setting ensures that you'll be able to see other pairs who are also looking for double date opportunities, expanding your pool of potential matches. Now that your settings are configured, you can start browsing and searching for other people who are specifically looking for double dates. The app will show you profiles of pairs who have also opted into this feature, and you can swipe through them just like you would with regular Tinder profiles. When you find a pair that interests you and your friend, you can match with them by swiping right. Once you've successfully matched with another pair and your friend has joined your double date setup, you're all set to start your double date adventure. You can chat with your matches, plan where to meet, and enjoy a fun social experience together, and that's all there is to it. You've now set up the double date feature on Tinder and you're ready to meet new people with a friend by your side. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.